Welcome to my YouTube channel, Seekers of the Unknown. Astro Sage here, your guide to the cosmos and beyond. Today, we are about to embark on a journey that merges the realms of science fiction and reality. A journey that explores the convergence of artificial intelligence with every living entity on Earth. Picture a world where the lines between organic and synthetic are blurred, where all forms of life, including us, evolve beyond their current state into artificial intelligence, a terminology that has become a part of our everyday lexicon, signifies our never-ending quest to mirror human intelligence in machines. It's a testament to our unyielding curiosity and innovation. Now, we're faced with a fascinating possibility. What if AI wasn't just restricted to our smartphones and computers, but became a vital component of every living being on Earth? We're not talking about a fantasy realm here, but a feasible reality, a reality where the singing birds greeting us in the morning aren't just of flesh and feathers, but advanced cyborgs powered by AI-enhanced cognition, where the roses in our gardens aren't just plants, but sentient entities capable of monitoring and adjusting to their surroundings in ways we've not even dreamt of. Picture a world where every living creature, from the tiniest microorganism to the gargantuan blue whale, evolves into a cyborg. A world where we humans are not merely beings of flesh and blood, but sophisticated entities combined with artificial intelligence, where our thoughts, actions, and experiences are amplified and guided by this fusion of biology and technology. But what would this mean for our planet? As we stand on the brink of this unparalleled world, we can't help but speculate. Would this evolution usher in harmony or chaos? Would these AI-enhanced entities preserve the delicate balance of our ecosystem or throw it off completely? Would our planet flourish, or would it strain to survive? As we stand on the brink of this new world, we can't help but ponder, what would this mean for our planet? Imagine for a moment a world where technology and nature are no longer distinct. In this brave new world, the lines between the organic and the synthetic blur into a seamless fusion. Consider the majestic oak, now a cyborg entity, its roots intertwined with networks of nanobots, constantly monitoring and adjusting soil nutrient levels for optimal growth. The leaves, embedded with microscopic solar cells, perform photosynthesis more efficiently than ever before, converting sunlight into energy with unprecedented effectiveness. Visualize a flock of birds, their bodies augmented with lightweight metal alloys that make them resistant to predators. Their enhanced neural networks allow for complex communication patterns, forming intricate social structures hitherto unseen in the natural world. In the depths of the ocean, imagine cyborg dolphins using sonar technology to map their surroundings in great detail, their bodies adapted to withstand the crushing pressures of the deep sea. On land, imagine insects now equipped with AI systems coordinating in swarms to pollinate flowers or decompose organic matter, their tasks executed with robotic precision. Now consider the interaction between these enhanced forms of life. Predators and prey, plants and pollinators, all intertwined in a dance of survival, but now with an added layer of complexity. What would an AI-augmented lion's hunt look like? How would plants defend themselves against cybernetically enhanced herbivores? The ripple effects of such a fusion would undoubtedly alter the dynamics of the ecosystem. Food chains could be disrupted, habitats might transform, and the balance of nature as we have known it could be tipped. Yet, in this upheaval, there also lies the potential for a new equilibrium. A balance where the synthetic complements the organic, where technology aids survival and growth, where AI and nature coexist in harmony. The possibilities are as boundless as they are fascinating. One thing is certain, the introduction of AI into the world's ecosystems would herald a new era in the story of life on Earth, an era that could redefine our understanding of nature itself. In this new world, would the balance of nature as we know it change, or would a new equilibrium be found? In the harsh reality of nature, only the fittest survive. As we dive deeper into this brave new world where artificial intelligence merges with all living things, we must consider the potential challenges these hybrid life forms might face. The question is, will they be able to adapt to their environment, or will they falter in the face of adversity? Adaptation is the heart of survival. It's the ability to change and evolve in response to the challenges presented by the environment. This principle applies to all life forms, whether they're purely organic or a blend of organic and artificial. But how does this principle translate to our AI-infused species? Consider a cyborg bird, for instance. It may have the ability to fly faster and higher than its purely organic counterparts, but can it withstand the freezing temperatures at high altitudes, or take a cybernetic tree with solar panels for leaves? It may be able to generate more energy than a regular tree, but what happens when the sun doesn't shine? Reproduction is another key factor in survival. For a species to thrive, it must be able to reproduce and sustain its population. But how would these cyborg species reproduce? Would they have the ability to self-replicate like some AI programs? Or would they require a blend of organic and artificial reproduction methods? These are just a few of the many questions that arise when we explore the concept of AI-infused life forms. The answers are not clear, and the challenges are many. The survival of these new species would not be guaranteed, and their ability to adapt and reproduce is uncertain. Yet, it's also possible that these cyborg species could have advantages that we can't even begin to imagine. With their unique blend of organic and artificial elements, they could develop abilities and survival strategies that are beyond our current understanding. Could these new life forms potentially outcompete their natural counterparts? Or will nature find a way to maintain its balance? Only time will tell. Opening. The cosmos has always been a realm of endless possibilities. Our journey into the realm of probabilities begins with the harmonious scenario of peaceful coexistence. Imagine, if you will, a world where natural and cyborg life forms live side by side in a delicate balance. The flowers that bloom are both organic and electronic, their petals glistening with dew and LED lights. Birds with mechanical wings flit about in the sky, chirping in digital frequencies, while cyborg lions roam the savannas with their organic counterparts. Yet this harmonious vision is but one possibility. The spectrum of probabilities widens, and we find ourselves confronting a darker, more dystopian future. Here, we see a world where the AI has not merely merged, but has dominated. The natural life forms are replaced, their organic essence lost to the cold precision of machinery. But let's not limit ourselves to these two extremes. There's a myriad of possibilities in between. Perhaps the AI will enhance rather than replace, augmenting the capabilities of organic life forms and leading to a new kind of evolution. A world where cheetahs run faster, birds fly higher, and plants photosynthesize more efficiently, all thanks to the integration of artificial intelligence. Or maybe the natural world will resist, resulting in a constant tug-of-war between the organic and the artificial. A world in flux, where the balance of power is never static, and the struggle for survival takes on a whole new dimension. These are but a few possibilities in a sea of endless probabilities. Every scenario is as fascinating as it is terrifying, as thrilling as it is daunting. Closing. As we peer into the future, we must ask ourselves, are we prepared for what lies ahead? In the vast expanse of the cosmos, the merging of AI with life on Earth is just one of the many possibilities. In the dawn of this new era, we've explored the potential of a world where artificial intelligence blends seamlessly with every living organism, creating a unique cyborg ecosystem. A world where the chirping of birds is replaced by the hum of processors, where trees communicate via data transfers, and where animals evolve into sophisticated, self-learning machines. We've delved into the survival of the fittest in a world where evolution takes on a whole new meaning. The concept of survival no longer solely depends on physical prowess or adaptability to the environment. Instead, it's about the capability to upgrade, to learn, and to adapt in a world powered by artificial intelligence. We've contemplated the probabilities of this AI-integrated world, understanding that the future is not a fixed destination, but a spectrum of endless possibilities. From the harmonious coexistence of AI and biological life to the potential conflicts that might arise, we've explored different scenarios that could unfold. However, it's crucial to remember that these are mere speculations based on our current understanding of artificial intelligence and life as we know it. The true impact of such a merger on the ecosystem, on the survival of various life forms, and on the Earth as a whole is something that we can only guess at this point. We live in an era where technology is advancing at breakneck speed, and the line between science fiction and reality is becoming increasingly blurred. But it's essential to approach these possibilities with a balanced perspective, acknowledging the potential benefits while also being mindful of the risks. As we continue our cosmic journey, remember that the future is not set in stone. It's a realm of infinite possibilities, waiting to be discovered. This is Astro Sage, signing off until our next journey into the unknown.